Boil vegetables, roast potatoes and cook a main all at the same time with this impressive dual-fuel cooker from Beko. Complete Clean combines grease-catching catalytic liners and steam cleaning to both scorch grease and debris and soften stubborn dirt. Easily keep the cavity spotless and spend more time on what matters. High-efficiency gas burners direct heat at a precise angle, which consumes less gas and increases cooking speeds by up to 35%, ensuring that your cooking is not only faster, but more cost-effective too. Cast iron pan supports provide rugged and reliable stability for all of your pots and pans, so you can feel safe as you cook and avoid spillages in the kitchen. Enjoy more flexibility when cooking with the useful double oven design of this dual fuel cooker from Beko.